Water damage in your home? The next 24 hours are critical. What you do right now determines how much you can save and how big the repair bill gets. First, shut off your main water valve and cut power to any wet rooms at the breaker box. Don't wait. Standing water near live circuits is deadly. Mold can start growing in just 24 to 48 hours. Structural wood warps even faster. Time is the one thing you can actually control here. Before cleaning anything, document everything. Wide shots, close-ups, water lines on walls. Your phone's timestamp is evidence your insurance adjuster needs. Don't throw away damaged materials yet. Drywall, flooring, personal items. Your insurer may need to inspect them before you dispose of anything. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't paint over water stains. Don't run space heaters in closed rooms. And never use your HVAC. It spreads mold spores through every vent. A moisture meter is the only way to know if a floor is truly dry. Surfaces can feel dry, while the subfloor underneath is still saturated. If the water came from a sewer, has been sitting for hours, or covers more than 10 square feet, call a professional. This is beyond DIY territory. Don't wait. Water damage gets worse every hour. Call Go Agree Restoration of NC at 919-906-5473.